Today we're starting on a healthy high note with our fast and easy Egg-vocados. The best part is it only takes a few ingredients, so that trip to the grocery store will be nice and quick. Pro tip, I ordered mine online and didn't even have to leave my car. So let's get to the breakfast. This dish is heart healthy, high in protein, and it's sure to become a fast favorite in your home. Let me show you how it's done. You'll need 1 large avocado, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, a pinch of salt, and 2 slices of fully cooked chopped bacon. If you'd like even more flavor, try adding your favorite hot sauce, fresh cracked black pepper, and fresh cilantro if you have it. All right, Fresh Dish Foodies, it's time to crack those eggs and prepare our breakfast. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Cut the avocado lengthwise. Remove the pit by gently squeezing the avocado. The pit should just pop right out. Next, take a spoon and scoop out a small amount from each half of the avocado in order to make room for our eggs. In an oven-safe skillet or dish, create little stands of foil around the sides of the avocados so they stay level and secure. Place avocado halves cut side up on a sheet of aluminum foil. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl, then pour into the avocado. Repeat this step with the remaining egg and avocado. Sprinkle your Egg-vocados with cheese, salt, bacon, and then bake for 12 minutes or until eggs are set to your liking. Add those extra flavors by garnishing with some hot sauce and cracked pepper, and you've got yourself a delicious and healthy way to start your day. You all enjoy, and we'll see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.